In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how does affiliate marketing work if you are a complete beginner. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products. And when you promote a product from another company, they will give you an affiliate link. And if someone buys the product from that link, you can make a commission. For example, these are my affiliate links for a high-ticket product. The name is Freedom Accelerator. I have been promoting high-ticket products because when you promote those kind of products, you can make more commissions. So check this out. For example, I have here $16 in unpaid earnings, and if I go to payouts, these are my latest payments: $454, $128. And as you can see, that it's possible to make money with affiliate marketing, but you need to set up the right system to succeed. And also you need to put in the work when you want to start driving traffic to your funnel. Now, I have here my affiliate links, which are this one, and you can find products for any niche. For example, if you go to clickbank.com, so this is an affiliate marketplace, and you can find here many products to promote. Also, we have Digistore 24. You can go to, for example, affiliates or features. So let me check. So if you go to affiliates, you can register for free and create an account, and then you can go to the Digistore 24 marketplace to find products to promote. Now let me show you one of the best high-ticket products in the affiliate marketing space. So I have been promoting these products. So the 72-hour challenge, this is a low-ticket product. The price is $9, and the company pays 35%. Now, when someone subscribes to this challenge with my affiliate link, there is a strategy that is called the value ladder. And that means if that person buys, for example, the low ticket product and the upsells, as an affiliate marketer, we can make commissions in all these steps. For example, if the upsell is, let's say, $100, we can make a percentage of this upsell. And if the next upsell is $500, we can make another commission here, a percentage of the sale, up to the high ticket product, which in this case, Freedom Accelerator costs $1,497. And we can make 35% commission of that sale. Now, this is the online training. So this is the product. For example, as you can see, we have here all the information that we need to scale our affiliate business to the next level. So when someone is starting out, it's a good idea to take a challenge. For example, this is the 72-hour challenge. And this lesson has 3 modules. For example, the Freedom to Roadmap, day number 1, day number 2 is the automated sales system using an unfair tool that I'm going to show you later. And then day number 3 are the 3 secret traffic methods for fast results. So once you have built your 24/7 sales system, you need to drive traffic, and you can use these strategies to achieve that goal. And then if you want to scale your affiliate business to the next level, you can, for example, learn how to use artificial intelligence to create content, how to use Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, how to close sales using, for example, Facebook Messenger, how to drive traffic to your sales funnel using YouTube. For example, I studied this model and I use it to build my YouTube channel to get more than 1,000 subscribers. Then how can you increase the conversions of your offers, and how to automate and scale your business. So as you can see, this course has everything that you need to succeed with affiliate marketing. So it has 4 phases. Another example is Legendary Marketer. This is a well-known training. So this is a 15-day challenge. And as you can see, I'm taking this challenge. And also, I can promote this product as an affiliate. Now, the one thing you need to understand to succeed with affiliate marketing is that it's important to collect emails. For example, let me show you. This is my ClickFunnels account. ClickFunnels is a software to build funnels, and as you can see, I have here many funnels, but I want to show you this one. So with this funnel, so I'm using this funnel to collect leads, and it's important to give something in exchange for the email, and that is called a lead magnet. And a lead magnet could be an ebook, it could be a PDF document, a free course, it could be a masterclass. For example, in this case, I'm giving away a free ebook with the steps to build an affiliate marketing business. And I didn't create this ebook. I'm using the leverage of the person who has created these trainings. And when people go to this page, they will see this hook. And this is one of the most important things of your opt-in page. And this opt-in page is helping me to collect emails. So check this out. Finally, the 7 proven steps to building a 6-figure online business from scratch. And when people click this button, this pop-up appears, and I can collect a name, an email, and if they want, they can write their cell phone number. I have more information here, a picture of the ebook. I have also my photo because I want people to know that I'm promoting this product. And when they put their information, that information will be stored, the name and the email will be stored inside of ClickFunnels, and then ClickFunnels is going to send that information to another software, which is GetResponse, and here I have 1,219 contacts. And this is one of the most important things you need to do in your affiliate business. And it doesn't matter if you are in the make money online niche, the relationship niche, the crypto niche, or the health and fitness. You need to collect leads, because the powerful of having your own email list is that you have your own audience. And here I can go to email marketing, create, for example, write an email and promote almost any product or any affiliate offer that is like in the niche of the people of my email list. So check this out. So the next step is that when people put their information, they will get access to these steps. And this is called a sales funnel. A sales funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. And they will get access to this page. And this is called the bridge page, because this page is bridging the gap between the people who want that information and to the company. And here I have recorded a video in which I explain to the people what are the next steps they need to take in order they can start learning the skills to make money with affiliate marketing, and what they need to do. So people click this video, and if they click this button, they will be clicking my affiliate link. which is actually this link. And if they put their information inside of that opt-in page, I'm going to have here another referral. And as you can see, I have sent to this company 114 referrals. I have 17 customers, and these are the unpaid earnings. And it's important to build this sales funnel because remember that people don't buy at the first interaction. That is why it's important to create an email sequence. I'm going to go to my Get Response account, click on Automation, and show you that I have this email sequence to promote the 72-hour challenge, which is the product that I'm promoting in this case. And also, I give valuable information and I send more emails to promote multiple products. So check this out. When someone subscribes to this list, Freedom Accelerator, Get Response is going to send these two emails. This is a welcome message, and the next one is my story. Then it's going to wait for 1 day, and it's going to send the message number 2, which is a free training. Then it's going to wait for another day, and it's going to send the message number 3, which is another free training. And here I'm giving value to people, which is basically my free affiliate marketing training. And if they don't buy from me, they will get value from this training. So check this out. I have here one person waiting in this step, and the Get Response is going to send this email. And here I'm promoting my YouTube channel, How to Make Money with ClickFunnels. And that's why this sales funnel is powerful, because we can use it to build our own brand. Because I'm growing my YouTube channel with this strategy, we can promote high-ticket products. So in this case, I'm promoting this training, Freedom Accelerator. And also, I'm giving value to people because I'm giving away my free course. And they will get also the free ebook, which is the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate. Now, as you can see, there is a lot of work that you need to do, because if you start from complete scratch, you need to build your opt-in page, you need to set up the software, you need to record your own video, and that is the right way to start affiliate marketing. Because if you just send traffic to your affiliate link, it's hard to make a sale, because when you are starting out, every lead that you can collect counts. Now, there is a new system that you can use if you don't know how to, like for example, do the tech stuff, like building the opt-in page and writing your own emails. There is a system that is called FunnelFreedom.io. So this is a brand new software and affiliate marketers can use this system to start their own affiliate marketing business if they don't know how to build the sales funnel. So check this out. Here, inside of the software, I have this funnel, Freedom Ascension, mapping your 9 to 5 exit strategy. And I'm using this software because it has like a done for you system, the opt-in page, the lead magnet. The lead magnet in this case is a free course that you can give away in exchange for the email. The free course has 7 modules. So let me show you. So this is the opt-in page that I have been testing, and it's working to collect leads. And the creator of this software is Jonathan Montoya, who has created these courses as well. And I'm using this opt-in page to collect leads. How anyone can start the #1 beginner-friendly, fully automated business from home. And when people click that button, I can collect the name and the email. And then the software is going to send emails automatically that I didn't write, because the tech support of this software, so they have written all these emails. And I have here, for example, the only thing I just need to do is to copy and paste my affiliate links in this page, affiliate links, and I'm promoting all of these products. So check this out: the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Funnel Freedom, which is the software, Secret of Success, System Data Joe, Legendary Marketer. So these are my affiliate links. Get Response, which is the software that, as you can see on the screen, I have been using this software for email marketing. Repurpose Data Joe, vidIQ, Bizla, InVideo, Udemy, TubeBuddy, and I'm promoting all of these products utilizing this software. And the only thing I just need to do is drive traffic to that opt-in page. And this software is sending emails automatically to my email list. If I click on Workflow, White Label Course, Freedom Ascension, you can see that I have here all these nurturing email sequences. So right now I have here six email sequence of 6 days, 60 days. Right now there have been only published these two, the welcome sequence and the first 60-day Norton sequence. And this is a powerful strategy for complete beginners, because by utilizing Freedom Data Joe, affiliate marketers, they don't need to create like this entire system that I just showed to you. By using, for example, ClickFunnels and building this funnel, and then building this email list with get response, and then creating an automation workflow, which is the email sequence. So affiliate marketers, by utilizing Funnel Freedom Data Joe, they don't need to create all of this stuff. So you can see I have, for the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, for my website, my free training for the Freedom Breakthrough. So check this out. I have here all this email sequence that I have been building. So instead of doing all this hard work, you can utilize this software, and you just need to drive traffic to this funnel, copy and paste your affiliate links in this page, Funnel Freedom. And also it's better to have your own domain, so you can buy a domain and setting up with this platform so you can build your own brand. But as you can see, this is a powerful strategy that people can use to start an affiliate business from complete scratch. If you don't know how to do the tech stuff. So if you want to get access to the software Funnel Freedom Data Joe, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video so you can start a free trial and you can start testing out by yourself this brand new tool. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Talk to you soon, and God bless.